Do you know how to figure out how much compost you need for your garden? And yes, no makeup again. When you start calling around trying to find compost, they're going to ask you how many cubic yards or cubic feet of compost do you need. What that is a volume measurement, and I'm going to show you how to figure it out.
So for purposes of this example, we're going to say that we have 6 garden beds, which are 4 feet by 8 feet, and we need to put 6 inches of compost mix on top. So to figure out cubic yards, which again is a volume, we multiply length by width by height. So that would be 8 feet multiplied by 4 feet. But our height is in inches, so we're going to take 6 and divide it by 12, which is 1 foot. So 8 times 4 is 32. 6 divided by 12 is 0.5. Now we're going to multiply 32 times 0.5. So we multiply 32 by 0.5, and that gives us 16. But that's cubic feet because we're working in units of feet here. We also have 6 beds, so we're going to multiply this by 6. So 6 beds times 16 cubic feet per bed is 96 total cubic feet volume we have for our 6 beds. Now, if you want to use straight compost, each cubic yard has 27 cubic feet, so you divide 96 divided by 27, and that will tell you how many cubic yards you'll need. So because with my beds, I like to add vermiculite and peat moss, or you can use coconut coir if you'd like, I won't need the full 96 cubic feet of straight compost. So if I want to have 2/3 so that I can potentially have leftovers, I take 96 cubic feet multiplied by 2/3, and that gives me 64 cubic feet, which I then can divide by 27 to get how many cubic yards I'll need. So 64 cubic feet divided by 27 cubic feet means I need approximately 2.4 or 2.5 cubic yards of compost. And then another third, I'll have to calculate how much other materials like peat moss or coconut coir and vermiculite I'll need.
Phew, that was a lot of math, right? But if you don't want to do the math by hand, you want to Google for either cubic yard or cubic foot calculator. But I hope you better understand how that calculation is made. As always, please like and follow.